Everybody, this is Muhammad Farooq. I'm working as a lecturer at the Department of English, Ahmedabad University of Science and Technology. This is, in fact, a source of immense pleasure and honor for me to be a part of RELO Pakistan. Uh, Firstly, I would like to thank to all the members, to the administrator of this RELO Pakistan, to all the professionals across the country and out of the country, including all the mentors and mentees. And they are the source of inspiration for us, they are the source of motivation for us, and most importantly, they are our teachers because we are now in a situation of pandemic and we everything is that locked down, and we have this option of online teaching, particularly being teachers and professors at different colleges and universities in Pakistan. So COVID-19, where it has brought a number of damages, particularly in terms of economy, in terms of social interaction, in terms of meeting in persons, in market, in schools, in institutions, it has also that brought a few blessings for us as well. I think that this COVID-19 is it's a kind of great push for us, particularly in the field of education. It has compelled us to adopt and to use and exercise the innovative ways of teaching and learning, particularly online teaching. That it has been a dream in Pakistan, but this dream now has become a reality, and it is being enjoyed by the real professionals in the field of education. And so in this way, that we would be competing with the rest of the world, and we would be that having the amazing resources and mediums of learning and teaching. So far Relo Pakistan is concerned, it's a great that institution, a great organization across the Pakistan, all over the world, which is facilitating the people, particularly educationists, particularly teachers and students, in the form of mentors and mentees, to bring something innovative, to bring something effective, more fruitful in the field of education for learning and teaching. I am very proud to be a part of Relo Pakistan, and I hope that with the passage of time, we would be able to use every medium of online teaching. So far, my experience is concerned, I have been teaching at university level. I am MPhil in English literature, and currently I am doing PhD in English literature. So I have been teaching as a lecturer at university level for the last 5 years. So I have always been very much curious regarding the use of technology, regarding the use of different applications for the sake of learning and teaching. And before this pandemic, in fact, I had started, that using applications, and the pandemic COVID-19 pushed me further to use these applications. In the beginning, there were difficulties and problems, and I believe that in the beginning everything is that difficult, everything seems impossible. But when we strive, when we struggle, when we do it, then the things become normal, and they are that just like ordinary uses. So with the passage of time, I learned from YouTube, I learned from different colleagues, from different teachers. I learned from myself as well, by striving, by struggling to learn more and more. But when I was luckily selected by Relo Pakistan as a mentee, and my mentor is Fauzi Hafiz. She is very kind, and she is very cooperative, very committed and dedicated teacher. She always, that helps us, and without any excuse, without any delay. And I learned a lot from her, and she is, that teaching us new ways and innovative ways of learning. of different learning and teaching through different applications such as Zoom, LMS, Microsoft Teams, and different other that features regarding uploading the videos, video lectures on YouTube, how to make these lecture more effective, and so on and so forth. So it has. Yesterday we had a fruitful session of different mentors and mentees across the Pakistan, and it was being addressed by honorable speaker Mr. Jerry, and he is a very nice person. I'm really that moved by the attitude, by the professionalism, by the commitment and dedication that he showed. And further, it was that hosted by Sidra Niaz. He is a very committed, very professional, and very that kind lady. And apart from that, there were I think more than 150 professionals across the Pakistan, and few of them they shared their fruitful experiences, which were really amazing and fantastic. And I believe that we would be working as a team members, and then we would be team leaders as well, because today's mentee is tomorrow's mentor. So we would be seeking and we would be learning from that one another, and this would be a very fruitful journey, I do believe. So at the end, I once again I would like to thank Rallo Pakistan. You are doing great. You are doing beyond the capacity. You are doing super and excellent. Thank you so much.